Hey there, and welcome to a journey that's about to flip the script on your life's story. Here comes the roller coaster of life transformation brought to you by SoulMighty. In this audio lecture, we are not just dipping our toes into change, we are diving headfirst into a step-by-step process that will transform your life. So grab your favorite notebook, a sprinkle of curiosity, and let's get straight into the steps. Step 1. Accessing your current situation. So before we begin, let's pause and take a close look at where you are right now in your life. We want you to reflect on your relationships, your career, your health, and your personal growth. What's working well? What needs improvement? This honest assessment helps you know your present state, your future dreams, and how to go there. Step 2. The no resist mode. Now here is a game-changing mindset shift for you. The no resist mode. Now this means fully accepting your current circumstances without any resistance. So don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean you can't do anything about your circumstances. It simply means you're not resisting it mentally. It's about acknowledging the highs and lows without fighting against reality. By doing this, you will save precious energy that can be redirected towards positive change. This removal of resistance helps you release the self-generated burden and see things from a non-disturbed state. Step 3. Prioritizing your mind's well-being. Our minds have incredible power over our lives. It's time to put your mind first and your body second. Start your day with powerful positive thoughts or feelings, gratitude, meditation, or anything that uplifts your mindset. Practice mindfulness exercises to stay centered and reduce stress. So remember, a positive mind leads to a positive life. Step 4. Simple choices. Now your morning routine sets the tone for the day. So begin with some gentle exercises like deep breathing, a short yoga session, or any moderate intensity workout. Nourish your body with a healthy breakfast that fuels your energy. And here's a pro tip. Make intentional choices throughout the day that bring positivity and joy into your life. Step 5. Nailing the one big thing. Now let's tackle your biggest goal head on. Whether it's advancing in your career, pursuing a creative passion, or making a significant lifestyle change, this step is all about giving it your all. Break down your goal into smaller, achievable steps and invest the majority of your energy into it. So success is closer than you think when you are ready for it. Step 6. Creating space for relaxation. So amidst your busy schedule, don't forget to create some space for relaxation and self-care. Schedule regular me time where you can indulge in activities you love. Reading, hiking, spending time with loved ones, you name it. This space relief is vital to recharge your batteries and prevent burnout. So these were the 6 simple yet impactful steps you can take to change your life one tiny step at a time. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Do share your feedback in the comment section. Do check the description and iCard for more content like these. Thank you so much, and let life shine bright.